Now let's talk about volume and how you could use it to figure out the size of your new cereal box. Okay, so now that we've had our surface area figured out, we're going to use that later to figure out cost. But volume is really just height times width times depth. So height times width times depth for a rectangle or a cube. So the volume is all the space inside of a cereal box or inside of any object really. So once you determine the volume of this cereal box that your competitors use, you can determine the volume of your object because you need to hold the same amount of cereal. So number 3, calculate volume of competition. This is going to be as simple as 12.125 inches times width is 8 inches times depth of 1.75 inches. My trusty calculator will show me the answer. Please don't mind the announcements, but I want to point out that I used my calculator to determine it's 169.75 inches cubed. Inches cubed is the volume, is the units of volume. So what I'm going to do is show you how to calculate a cylinder. Now, the cylinder, the volume equals 1/4 pi times diameter squared times the height. So what I can do is I can determine how tall I want this to be for my height. Okay, and then I can use my volume to fill in the V. So I can say 169.75 inches cubed equals 1/4 pi times D2, and then I'm going to say the height of this thing is going to be 10 inches, just like the object on the left-hand side shows the height with the arrows. I'm just making up 10 inches. So now I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. This is going to get rid of my quarter. Okay? So let's see how that looks.